In this video, you'll learn how to add a text box in Docusign. We'll go step by step at a comfortable pace so that by the end you'll know exactly how to place a text field where you want it and make sure it's assigned to the right person to fill out. Let's start from the point where you already have a document uploaded into Docusign and you're ready to prepare it for signing. The first thing you need to do is open your document in the editing view. This is often called the tagging screen, or the area where you add fields for your recipients. If you're looking at a simple preview of the document, look for an option like Next, Edit, or Add Fields to switch into the editing mode. You'll know you're in the right place when you can see your document in the center of the screen and a list of different field types, usually along one side. Once you're in the editing view, you're ready to add your text box. On the list of available fields, look for the one labeled Text or Text field. This is the field type you'll use anytime you want someone to type custom information into the document, like their job title, a project name, a short description, or any other freeform text. Go ahead and click on that text field option, but don't worry, it won't place anything just yet. You're simply selecting the tool you want to use. With the text field selected, move your mouse over the document. You'll see the cursor change, showing that you're ready to place the field. Now click and drag on the page where you want the text box to appear. As you drag, you'll see the outline of the text box grow or shrink. This lets you control how large the field will be. For example, if you expect only a short word or two, you can keep it small. If you expect a longer sentence or a detailed response, drag it wider so there's more room. When you're happy with the size and position, release the mouse button. The text box will snap into place. You can still adjust it afterward by clicking and dragging it to a new location or by grabbing the corners to resize it. Take a moment to align it neatly with the rest of your document so it looks clean and professional. A little extra time here makes the final document much easier for your recipients to read and complete. The last key step is to assign the text box to a recipient. Every field in Docusign needs to be linked to someone so the system knows who is responsible for filling it out. With the text box selected, look for a drop-down or label that shows a signer's name or a color associated with that signer. Click that and choose the recipient who should type into this text box. Once you assign it, the field usually changes color to match that person, confirming it's linked correctly. After you've assigned the text box, you can repeat this process to add more fields or simply save and send your document. That's all there is to it. Open your document in editing view, choose the text field tool, drag it into position and assign it to the right recipient.